Welcome, and thank you for being here. Today we'll be walking through our service blueprint for MineXpert technical support. This blueprint highlights the most critical customer interactions, internal and external pain points, and where we see the biggest opportunities to improve our service offering. Our goal is to deliver a more streamlined, value-driven, and sustainable technical support model for mining operations. Here's our team. With experience in mining, clinical services, hospitality, and global operations, we combined our strengths to shape a customer-focused and practical MineXpert blueprint. Let's start with service overview and purpose. MineXpert is a technical support service designed for mining chemical suppliers and mining operations. It helps clients troubleshoot reagent performance issues, validate lab results, and have a better metal recovery. The service journey includes everything from an initial contact or referral to on-site consultations, lab testing, and post-implementation review. This blueprint maps how we support the customer along that journey while identifying ways to optimize service delivery. Now that we've established what MineXpert is and how the service is structured, let's take a closer look at the moments in the journey that have the greatest impact on the customer experience. These are the critical points where trust is either built or lost, and they ultimately determine long-term engagement. Jesse experiences 3 essential moments during his journey which determine his understanding of our service. The first is the live demo experience. Jesse encounters us for the first time during this experience, which determines whether we grasp his operational challenges. Our ability to demonstrate clear value and relevance and alignment with his needs specifically through supply visibility improvement and operational risk reduction establishes early credibility. The focus should be on delivering problem solutions which appear customized to his needs rather than simply listing features. The way we handle the first delivery delay stands as the second critical moment. The way we communicate delays to customers determines their perception of our service. Jesse will perceive us as proactive when he receives advance notice about production delays along with a new delivery estimate and detailed instructions. The combination of reduced uncertainty with clear accountability leads to trust development. The third is the quarter-end internal review. At this stage, Jesse is reporting back to leadership. Our ability to deliver smooth operations with timely updates and no surprises during this quarter-end review allows us to solidify Jesse's trust in our service. Our success depends on Jesse's achievements because his prosperity makes us successful, which results in enduring customer loyalty. Our consistent execution of these critical moments will transform Jesse from a customer into a dedicated advocate for our company. On the customer side, we've identified several recurring pain points. First, delays in issue resolution, particularly around lab testing, have historically led to frustration. To address this, we implemented tiered support protocols and expedited lab-to-site communication processes. Second, many clients struggle to interpret technical reports, especially those without deep in-house expertise. In response, we developed simplified reporting formats accompanied by expert consultations. Lastly, the constant pressure to avoid downtime heightens operational risk aversion. We mitigated this through parallel pilot testing and extended availability during rollouts, ensuring that change implementation remains low risk and low disruption for the client. In this section, we will cover key internal pain points in delivering the technical support service. One major challenge is coordinating with external labs. Miscommunication or delayed testing can disrupt timelines, so standardized lab request templates and a dedicated lab liaison have been implemented to improve consistency. Another issue is sample tracking and labeling errors. Mistakes in this area can compromise data integrity, so a barcode-based tracking system and double-check procedures are now used at the collection and shipping stages. Technical consultants also face workload stress from travel, data interpretation, and client interactions. To reduce burnout, the team rotates assignments, limits weekly site visits, and uses virtual support for post-visit reporting. Lastly, reporting bottlenecks can occur when data review falls solely on senior technical staff. To address this, templated reporting formats and support staff assistants have been introduced to streamline the process. There are several areas within the MineXpert service design that present strong opportunities for future improvement, especially with added resources or customer feedback. First, integrating a formal customer feedback loop, such as post-service surveys or live demo evaluations, would help continuously refine touchpoints that matter most to Jesse and other decision-makers. Second, with additional investment, MineXpert could develop a centralized digital platform for real-time sample tracking, ETA updates, and lab results, addressing key transparency issues noted during delays. Furthermore, expanding virtual support and automated reporting tools could ease consultant workload and improve scalability. Finally, ongoing collaboration with external labs could be strengthened through shared performance dashboards and clearer SLA accountability. To conclude, MineXpert is more than a service, it's a performance partner for mining operations. By resolving pain points and driving improvements internally, we're building a more effective, scalable, and client-centered solution. Continued innovation and alignment will position MineXpert as a key differentiator in technical service delivery.